Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I have tried to show all these steps of makeup. So if you're a makeup lover, you will definitely going to enjoy the video. So now let's get started. So before I start, I will prep my face with moisturizer, hydrating mist and essential oil from NYX for giving shine to my face. And then I will hydrate my lips. Here I am using concealer from Derma on my eyelid before starting the eye makeup. And setting it with some loose powder. For eyeshadow, I am using my favorite palette from Morphe, and I'll use lighter shade to my crease as a transition shade, and then I'll go darker with brown. And remember, blending is the key for perfect eye makeup. And now I will apply shimmery pink shade in inner and middle lid of my eye. Okay, and yeah, you can see all the products I have used in the description box below. Now I'm adding black eyeshadow in outer corner and blending all the shades. You can add or more colors to intensify your eye according to your choice. Now I am concealing my under eye area or all the areas where I have pigmentations and dark spots, and applying foundation from Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation and blending it nicely all over my face. Now applying lighter shade of concealer on high points of my face like forehead, bridge of the nose and chin, under eye areas. Then setting it with some loose powder. Now I'm contouring it to define and shaping my face. You can see the video to see how to contour. You can see the cards. Now I am adding some blush. Now I am applying highlighter to my brow bones and all the high points of my face where I have already applied lighter shade of concealer. Then I'm lining my lips carefully before applying lipstick and filling all over my lips to get intensity of the lipstick. Then now I'm filling my brows with the black eyeshadow, and now using brow gel from MAC to flawlessly groom, define and enhance my brows. Then after that I'll complete my look by adding some eyeliner and mascara. So yeah guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys like it, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys.